Yeah, so we definitely drove through some mud on the way in. This car never stays clean for very long, it seems. Depending on how much rain we get in an hour, maybe that'll wash off. I don't think we're going to need a lot of sun protection, but I might put these guys up anyway. Just when it does rain, they offer a little bit of protection anyway in extending this area under the awning slightly. It is so humid. What do you reckon? It's got to be about 90% humidity here at the moment.
It feels like it's actually raining.
It's not raining, but it kind of almost feels like it. If you look at your Wi-Fi options, you can.
Ace Pro JP.
Have that trouble where when you go on a trip, your first night away from home is just really bad. We both had I think the worst night's sleep for our first night away ever last night. It was a shocker. No particular reason for it, it's just bad.
I think that's as done as I'm going to let it get because I'm hungry.
It's looking pretty good though. I caught a whiff of it before when I was walking past too. It smelled pretty good.
Oh, that chili's going to wake you up.
I'm going to steal a bit. Oh, it's hot. I'm not going to stick that in my mouth just yet.
Seriously? I just took it off there.
Well, how is it? Chili's going to wake you up?
Chili going to wake you up.
All right. Just pulled up at our Hipcamp stay for the night. Gums on Billabong, this little camp area is called. There's 3 spots here, which I can remember the name of the actual overall Hipcamp. I'll put it on screen if I can find it, but this little spot's called Gums on Billabong. Yeah, we found our fair share of mud. Place we stayed at last night, a national park campsite called Lake Murphy. It is an unsealed road to get in and out, and we had a fair bit of rain yesterday afternoon. Yeah, she was a bit slushy, so we're just letting some things dry out here because we've got beautiful blue sky here at the moment. But let me show you around here. How good is this spot? So there is a bit of a creek, a flowing creek beside us here. I don't know if it's flowing all the time like that, but with the rain that we've had recently, it's flowing now down that way. You can see the gate there in the distance, so that's, you know, this is our little paddock. We've got our onlooker squad up here. Cows are funny, they're very curious animals. Everywhere you show up, if there's cows around there, and they're wandering over to check you out and see what you're up to. Now there is a loo here, and it's just that structure up there on the top of the hill there. So you could, I guess, go through the gate there and walk around to get up it, but I see there's a bit of a trail through the fence there, so I can see that happening a fair bit. Area for a bit of a campsite, a campfire here. Another area here with a hot plate. Yolinda's making some notes over a wine. But how good is this? I've got a bathtub over here, and you can actually light a fire under the tub and heat the water up that way. Now, ordinarily, to use this, it's an extra. I can't remember how much they charge to come and fill a bathtub up with water for you. But because of the rain over the last few days, look at that. It's just full of rainwater. So, I mean, there's a few leaves and stuff in it, but, like, it's rainwater, so it's about as pure as it's going to get. So, a bit of a bathtub as the sun sets over there. A bit of a bath as the sun sets over there might be all right. And you can see the ground here is not too bad, but yeah, there's a bit of water through here still, where it's all running down. So ordinarily that bathtub would be empty, I would expect, unless you'd ordered the water from them. But yeah, with the rain over the last couple of days, and you know, especially yesterday afternoon, if it was the same here as it was at our last night, yeah, we've got fresh rainwater in there. So that's our spot for this afternoon and tonight. Pretty happy with that. So tonight is fajitas, isn't it? Chicken fajitas.
Fajita.
So we're going to do some prep work here and then head over there and cook it later on. Actually got two fires going tonight. So there's the fire there that we're going to cook on, and then beyond that there's a fire there under that bathtub. Well, there's smoke under the bathtub, but there is a fire there, believe it or not. It's warming up that water, so we'll jump in that a bit later. So what are our ingredients here? Chicken,
Capsicum.
salsa, capsicum,
I don't know why I've got 2 onions. I only need 1.
an onion.
An onion.
Yep.
And then to serve is just some sour cream. I may or may not add some beans. I don't know.
See how you feel?
I think there's going to be enough without the beans.
Yeah, okay. Alright, so we've just whacked this plate over the fire and hung a bit of a torch up there. Actually, that looks a bit like a blue light disco with the smoke going through the light there.
Is that a bird just pooped on there?
I did see something fly over just now. It's a bit rude. So this is slow going. Yolanda looks extremely excited. I suspect this plate's a bit high. I mean, the fire's hot, but
I can feel it burning my knees.
yeah,
It's just not cooking the food.
it's just not getting to the...
I don't think I've got any hairs left on my knuckles.
We just can't get any sizzle out of the plate for whatever reason. I mean, there's definitely a lot of heat underneath it. The legs are quite tall though.
Yeah.
So you reckon the plate's a bit high?
I do think so. So, I mean, the stuff's browning. It's just not...
It's just taking its time.
It's doing it on its own timeline, not mine.
How rude. I wasn't super hungry before, but this is actually starting to look really good, isn't it? Yeah.
1, 2.
All right. What are you doing to serve the? All right, so we've got our chicken, capsicum, onion mix, the medium salsa, the sour cream, the fajita mix in that, the little mini tortillas.
We get one of them,
Show us what's going on.
and we get some of that.
Yeah.
And we get some of that. And I'm not going to worry about salsa.
Oop, I need some light over here. You're not going to do in the salsa for yours?
Nope. And that is...
Pretty happy with that?
Mm-hmm. I can do that.
Well, I'm going to put this phone down now because I'm hungry and I'm going to have some.